I would like to introduce you today to an experiment that I would love for you to do, and you can do it with what you probably already have in your own home. It only takes a few minutes to get it set up and a couple of days to see results. So, my name is Vicki Manitou Okas, and let me show you what I'm talking about. What I have here is a couple of meat trays from the grocery store that I cleaned up and put some drainage holes in it, cut some drainage holes in it, and I've got it partly filled with potting soil. So this is a commercial potting soil mix, and this is it's called Off the Floor, or OTF. But this is the remnants that swept off of the floor at a garment factory or yarn factory, and then it was felted into bats that was used for insulation for coolers, medicine coolers that come in the mail. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get both of these wet, and I bought Quinoa at the grocery store. And I bought Chia at the grocery store. And I will put the Chia in one and the Quinoa in the other. And we're going to compare the OTF with the potting soil on both and see which grows better. So let's get both of these wet. I'm going to get these wet with rainwater. They've got drainage holes in them, so that'll drain out a little bit. Let that soak up. To clean up my hands a little bit with a dead sock. Okay, so with this type of seed, I want to just put it on the top of the soil. Usually, tiny seeds need a little bit of light to germinate. We'll see. Room light might be enough. So that's the Quinoa. There's the Chia. Now that'll be, what I'll do is I will mist that going forward so that a couple times a day, so that those seeds stay moist. Just a spray bottle and mist it, and we'll see what grows. So hopefully we will have some greens growing for the Container Garden Challenge that starts on August 8th. And hey, let's experiment and see what we can get growing in tiny little containers and tiny little spaces in a tiny amount of time, so that you can grow your own food no matter where you are.